Picture this. It's December 31st, 2025. You've crushed your goals, your finances are thriving, you're in the best shape of your life, and your relationships are stronger than ever. Sounds incredible, right? Now here's the kicker. This isn't just a dream, it can be your reality, and I'm going to show you how to get there with one game-changing habit. Let me start with a question. How many times have you set New Year's resolutions only to give up by February? It's not because you're lazy or unmotivated, it's because you're overwhelmed by trying to do it all at once. But what if I told you there's a single habit that can turn it all around? This habit isn't complicated. It doesn't require fancy apps, expensive gear, or hours of your time. It's called daily reflection, and it's the secret weapon behind every successful person you admire. Here's how it works. At the end of each day, take 5 minutes. Grab a journal, sit in silence, and ask yourself 3 questions. First one, what went well today? Second, what could I improve? Third, what's my plan for tomorrow? This small, simple routine rewires your brain for growth. You stop living on autopilot and start making intentional choices. A few years ago, I was stuck. I felt like I was spinning my wheels, doing 100 things but getting nowhere. Then I started this habit. It felt awkward at first, like, what's 5 minutes going to do for me? But within a month, everything changed. I started noticing patterns in my behavior, cutting out distractions, and focusing on what truly mattered. The best part? That clarity snowballed into action. By the end of the year, I had hit my fitness goals, doubled my income, and rebuilt my confidence, and all because I made reflection non-negotiable. Here's the thing. Most people don't fail because they lack talent or resources. They fail because they lack awareness. Reflection is your chance to check in, course correct, and stay on track. So, here's your challenge. Tonight, take 5 minutes to reflect. Write down one thing you're proud of, one thing you'll improve, and one action you'll take tomorrow. Do this for the next 7 days, and I promise you'll see results. If you're ready to make 2025 the year you finally break through, don't stop here. Check out this video, Stop Wishing, Start Doing. It's packed with strategies to keep you moving forward.